kind of character transformations are most effective? You want your protagonist to go through a major life-transforming event and either end up in the same place or end up in a different place. For example, they start at place A, something happens that requires urgent action. They have to deal with it. They deal with it, and they end up in the same place. And that may be a very good thing. Life was good. They took care of business. Life is good. Or it could be someone starts wherever they are. They go through the series of incidents that taken together make up your plot that tells your story, and they end up in a very different place because of what they went through, how they processed it. Different belief, different perception, different behaviors. I know you can do it, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on character transformations. I read all the comments. And if you would subscribe to this channel, I'd be so appreciative. It opens up features that lets us make these videos even more valuable for you. So thank you for that.